walk like a quarter-mile as soon as you get outside the port. All these people up here holding signs like they're not allowed to get in there. They're all standing here in the mud.
We are going to Little French Key, and we actually went outside of the port area to find our transportation.
Did he bite you? My boob. I'll grab him all of that. Uh-oh. Sorry, Dad.
Hello guys, this is Moshe at Little French Key. We are open and ticking better than ever. Come and enjoy your day in paradise.
It was way up there. Little French Key, that's all I've got to say. Redbeard, tell me what you think. Redbeard's over there somewhere. It really just doesn't get any better than this.
No. In the water right now. We're standing in the water. Yeah, standing in the water. Hey, can you like fart in the water, or is it just pee?
No, you can't fart, that's not allowed. I felt that. Ryan, can we stay?
Sure can, man.
We're gonna go stay
Always
with Ryan.
welcome here, always, all the time.
You got room for 14 of us?
Oh yeah, we find room anywhere on this island.
We're gonna get on these sad boats and sail away. Redbeard, we're about to take the saddest boat ride of our life away from here.
Exactly right.
All right, here it is, our coconut water. I'm gonna share it with these two kids. What do you think, Mackenzie?
God, it's already.
No, it was very, very good.
Yum.
It happens. That means it's real.
Pretend like you like it.
This is really good.
This is amazing. I'm glad I spent $5 on this. What happened to your head?
A lot. Roatan happened.
I did?
I was jamming.
I know. I may have got video of that.
Okay.
Samples?
Samples?
You gotta see this.
Hey, like and share this video.